Hello all, I be Siddharth would like to present to you all, Desktop Assistant. I am 14 years teen and studying in 9th standard at Delhi World Public School Hyderabad, India. So you are running a company. You have a personal assistant. You are paying her good enough money. But there are plenty of mistakes in the notes she noted down, and paying her $25 per hour is not worth it. So, I came up with Desktop Assistant. Desktop Assistant will automate commands as per your requirement. For example, when you click on the Open Word button or say, Open Word, Microsoft Word will open up. If the user has a habit of speaking slowly, the user can increase the phrase time in the settings. Desktop Assistant can understand us in different languages, for example Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, etc. The key feature of a personal assistant is to make notes. The Desktop Assistant has that feature too. The user just needs to click on the Notepad button or say Notepad. Then the machine will ask for the file name. Then whatever we say will get recorded and saved in a text file. Imagine you are reading an article and you come across a difficult word. That's where Desktop Assistant comes into picture. You can click on the Answer a Question button or say, Can you answer a question? And the machine will ask yes. What is the question? Then we can say the difficult word and it will reply with the answer. Not only word and meaning, but this model can also answer general questions like what is the weather, what is the time, etc.
Now let us see the working of Desktop Assistant. Now let us go to the exe file of the Desktop Assistant and load up the exe file. As you can see, the user interface of the Desktop Assistant has loaded up. So let us go to the settings and change the phrase time to 5 seconds and language to English and save these entries. So let us close the settings, and as you can see we have got plenty of buttons over here. So each button is integrated with each function. For example, when I click on open Chrome, the Chrome application opens, as well as when I say voice and say open, when I click on voice and say open Chrome, Chrome application opens. So now let us see an example. So I'll click on answer a question.
Yes, what is the question?
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi, from 26/05/2014 to present.
So as you can see, I clicked on answer a question button and I asked the question to the Desktop Assistant and it replied me with the answer. In the same manner, when I click on voice and say, can you answer a question, and ask the question to the Desktop Assistant, it will reply me with the answer.
What can I do for you?
Can you answer a question?
Yes, what is the question?
Who is the Prime Minister of India?
Narendra Modi, from 26/05/2014 to present.
As you can see, when I clicked on answer a question and asked a question to the Desktop Assistant, it replied me with the answer. And when I clicked on voice and said, can you answer a question, and asked the question to the Desktop Assistant, it has replied with me with the answer. So now let us see the other functionalities. When I click on open Chrome, the Chrome application opens.
Chrome opened.
And when I click on Word
open.
Open Word, Microsoft Word opens. When I click on Excel opens. And now let us see the key feature of Desktop Assistant, which is the Notepad function. So
Notepad function enabled. Phrase time for 2 minutes. File name.
article.
File name saved. Text recording.
There are 7 wonders in the world.
Text saved.
So now let us go to the location where the exe file is located, and in the same location the text file is also being located. So as you can see, I have set the file name as article and it has saved the file name as article. When I click on the file and choose notepad, there are 7 wonders in the world. This is the text which I have said when it asked me the text recording. This is the text which I have said and it is saved in a notepad.
Desktop Assistant is completely built on Python and NLP, so there is a surety of efficiency. This model has the complete potential to replace a personal assistant.